what would you say would be a good one, either a good one to start with or a good way to start on either one of the three?
Well, that's a good question, but I think it depends a whole lot upon the personality, and because they all require a different personality because they very definitely all require a different skill set, and uh, and I think that uh, certainly one of the things that in our program I always begin with looking at people's character strengths and their basic values. And I think if people are really looking at what their character strengths are, that is really going to help them to determine, are they a deal getter, are they a capital getter, or are they an administrator? And, really and truly, we probably have skills in all of those areas, but we are definitely going to excel in one or the other of those. And the deal getter has got to really be the go getter, and they have to be the one who is building the relationships with brokers, building the relationships with sellers, and they have to have a certain kind of finesse. And really, I think the best ones at that have an outgoing personality. I mean, it's not necessarily required, but it's a good idea. And for the capital getter, that's the person who really needs to be able to develop uh, empathic uh, and unconditional relationships and really understand people from a very intimate perspective there. And of course, the administrator is the organizer, and you have to understand systems and how they work and how to essentially put the whole thing together. So when I first went into commercial real estate investing, I was like, well, I'm going to do it all. I had started in single family,